And this is how it looks in the mornings after heavy rain. That's the hydrophobic, and this is the just Rain-X applied. They look similar. I'd say hydrophobic gathers more dust over the days. It just gathers more dust. Let's drive and see how they perform. Okay guys, so I've been living with this hydrophobic mirror for a few days now, and I can sadly say that as long as you are not spraying directly onto it, it does not work. So I've got another mirror coated in Rain-X, and I will show you the difference now. So the other mirror is coated in Rain-X, and you can see the difference there. And this is driving in the rain. So I thought it was going to be a very good product, but it appears not to be. I can't think of a way to use this because it doesn't do the job, or I don't know, maybe it's just the hydrophobic is not you know, what do you mean, quality. It isn't quality finish or whatever. Maybe if you buy a more expensive product, you know, a hydrophobic that mirror, maybe it'll do the job, but it isn't doing. The one I bought does basically nothing unless you spray straight onto it, and you are better off with just coating it in Rain-X. So as you can see, the Rain-X mirror is doing its job, and the raindrops just slide over. It's even better when you're driving faster. It creates the vortex and it just drags all the droplets down, whereas the hydrophobic mirror doesn't work at all. As long as there's no you know, direct rain coming onto it, the droplets just stick to it. If you just spray like I did, then it falls off, you know, the water falls off. But I think a better option would be the Rain-X, and I will show you what product the Rain-X is when I come back. So this is the one I was talking about, Rain-X, not Rain-X, Rain-X. See? Weather beater 2-in-1, buy one get one free. This is what it looks like, and I can confirm it is like that. I've been using it all around the car, on all my glass, front screen, side windows, on everything. So this is the better product in my opinion, and this is although it looks like this, and if you spray it, it will deter water, and the water will run off. But in the real world, stick with this, not with this. You can still win this if you want to. Just subscribe and comment, I want to win this crap, and I will send it to one lucky winner. But buy yourself this and go through your all around your car with this. You'll love it.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, a quick word from our sponsors from WTA.
Don't buy it.
Don't use this mirror. This hydrophobic shit. Like and subscribe. Peace out.
So I have driven for 6 miles up to 80 miles an hour, and you can see that the Rain-X is doing a better job, as I said many times in this video. I know I was amazed by the first initial wow of the hydrophobic mirror, but I think all in all you are better off with Rain-X on your windows, on your mirrors, on everywhere. So I know I was like, yeah, use it. No, I don't think so anymore. I think Rain-X, all of the mirrors, and you will be better off. The competition still stays. If you still want to try it, subscribe and comment, and I will leave this video for 1 week, and then I'll see how many of you want this. Just subscribe and say, I want to try, and at the end of the week I will pick one winner in some sort of random way, I don't know yet, and I will send you those extra ones that I bought that I don't need. And I will be ripping this off, because the film off, I will be ripping that off, because I don't think it's worth. I don't recommend this product. So thanks for watching this video. It's a very long video, I know. Sorry for that, but I was so psyched seeing this work, but it doesn't. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye.